Hello and welcome, dear employers, to gulfjobseeker.com channel. Today we have Mr. Saqib with us. Yes, Saqib, can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello, employers. My name is Saqib. I'm basically from Maharashtra state, Solapur. So I am looking a job in sales and marketing. So I do have experience of 8 years, including 2 years of experience in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, Saqib, what is your basic educational qualification?
I have done my master in marketing management from University of Mumbai in 2013. After that, I started my career as a sales executive in Pogos Technology.
Okay.
Then,
Yes, Saqib. So
yes, please.
basically you have done BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, right?
Yes, yes,
And thereafter you did your MBA in marketing.
yes. After that, BBA from Bharati Vidyapeeth University, I went to Mumbai and pursued my MBA degree in marketing specialization.
Okay. So now you said you have 8 years of work experience. So how many years you were in India and how many years you traveled to Saudi Arabia?
More than 5 years, I was in India, and 2.5 years near about, I was working in Saudi Arabia, Jubail industrial area, which was one of the biggest industrial area in the world. So I was working in industrial services online company, which is a chemical cleaning and equipment rental company.
Okay,
I
so
worked there as a business development executive.
okay. And do you also have a driving license for Saudi Arabia?
Yes, I do have a driving license, but when I came back to India, that company kept that license with them.
Hmm. Okay, Saqib. So, fine. Now, what was your package there in Saudi Arabia? And in case if some company from Saudi Arabia wants to offer you a job, or let's say from UAE or any other Gulf country, what will be your expected salary? What salary you were getting in Saudi Arabia?
I was getting 3,000 Saudi riyal, including accommodation. Here, I would expect at least 5,000.
Okay. And how much notice period you may take? Let's say some company is willing to offer you a job to get back to the work after COVID time. Now all companies are hiring now. So if they want to give you a job, how much notice period you will need to come from India to Saudi Arabia or to Gulf country, any other Gulf country?
I can join immediately because I just resigned from my Mahindra Insurance Broker Limited just few days ago, so I can join immediately.
Okay, fine. So what is your current age now?
Currently, I'm 31 years.
31. You are married, Saqib?
Yes, I'm a married person.
Okay, fine. So, dear viewers, here it is the profile of Mr. Saqib. He is a Gulf experience, Saudi Arabia experience sales and marketing executive. He was having a Saudi driving license also and currently based in India. He is looking for a job. So, if you have any job position in sales and marketing, you're looking for a Gulf experience executive with Saudi driving license, then you can contact gulfjobseeker.com on the email address or on the WhatsApp number mentioned below, and we will be very happy to connect your company with Mr. Saqib for further interview. Thank you so much, Saqib, for coming to gulfjobseeker.com.
Thank you. Have a great day.